Hi, I'm Patsy. Do you have any leftover turkey? I have the recipe for you.
Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Wash hands with soap and water. You will need the following ingredients: 5.5 cup cooked turkey chopped, 3 cup low sodium chicken or vegetable broth, 1 pound macaroni noodles uncooked, 1/2 pound or 8 ounces of reduced fat cream cheese cut into small pieces, 3 small onions finely chopped, 2 canned cream of mushroom soup, 2 cup cracker crumbs, 1/2 teaspoon sage, which is optional, and 1/8 teaspoon pepper. Combine all ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Mix well. Pour mixture into greased 9-inch by 13-inch baking dish. Bake for 1 hour. Internal temperature of poultry should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit.
Eat, Move, Save.